Recently, US Bank updated their credit card design for the Cash Plus Visa Signature credit card. If you like this new design, you can easily request it yourself within the app. Just say that your current card is damaged, that way you can keep the same number. Afterwards, you can even track the shipment right in your app. So I figured I'd also take this opportunity to not only do an unboxing and a comparison of the card design with its former design, but also highlight some changes since my 2022 review of this card. The categories you can choose from have largely stayed the same. The only change is the addition of EV charging stations to the 2% gas category, which makes sense in this day and age, but all the 5% category choices are still the same. But a very welcome improvement is finally you can select and view your categories right within the app without having to redirect to a whole separate website. If you recall from my review video, you actually had to go on a separate website to activate your quarterly categories. So very happy that they have finally integrated into the app itself. They also now make it a lot easier to track whether or not your transaction actually qualifies for the category that you're intending, which was another gripe I had pointed out in my initial review. Now, if they would just get rid of that stupid $25 minimum redemption and offer redemption to an external bank, that would be amazing. Now, focusing on the differences in the card design here, I personally really like this new design. It's just a little bit more pop. The previous version was just very plain and quite frankly kind of ugly. It did have this little textured design on the front though, which was interesting, but again, all the features, functionality is the same as before. You still have that chip, and you also have the wireless tap to pay built in. All the card information is found on the back. You still see that Visa signature is just now completely on the back for a cleaner front look on the new design, but both cards still have the red lining around, so easy to identify in your wallet. So that's the updated card design for the US Bank Cash Plus for 2024 and some beneficial changes since 2022. If you want to watch my full review of this credit card alongside my many other credit card reviews and unboxings, check out my channel and make sure to subscribe for more credit card coverage. Thanks for watching.